We are Monstercraftsman, a motorcycle company. We're at a biker event. We're teaching people how to weld. We're fixing and repairing people's broken bikes. Whoa! I'm seeing bikes go by that weren't running when they walked them to my tent. And they're, flying by. I'm like, fix that one, fix that one, fix that one. But what's cool about what we're doing is that we could be at any event. We could be at the Floyd Fest, which is just a hippie music festival, and literally fit right in because we would be doing metal art. We'd be making little butterflies and copper elves. Any kind of audience, we would totally morph into. People buy metal art that they have to build. It's like buy your own pizza that you make. It's $10. Here's all the parts. I'm going to teach you how to weld, and then you take it with you.
He's fixed a lot of bikes out there, people that had cracked battery boxes, cracked frames even. Welding everybody's broken bike for free for 2 years now. Giving individual welding classes, sets up a jam session at the Smokeout for free. And
thank you so much.
It's a small token, but thank you.